Hello there, and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online courses. This week in our online classes, we've been talking about cities and in particular our experiences of them, favourite cities, least favourite cities around the world, and so on. And one of my students mentioned the fact that over the Christmas holidays, her and her husband managed a romantic getaway in Paris. And it was the first time they'd managed to go away anywhere without their 2 children, because they managed to ship their kids off to the grandparents for the duration of the holidays. If you ship somebody off somewhere, you basically send them there, you send them away. Doesn't have to involve ships at all. In fact, it usually doesn't. It can involve cars or trains, or maybe even just dropping them off on the bus or dropping them off on the tube. But basically, you send somebody somewhere. It's particularly something that's done to children. So maybe, the kids are driving you crazy during the summer holidays. So you ship them off to a summer camp for a couple of weeks to get them out of your hair. I guess in the old days, kids used to be shipped off to boarding school at the age of 7. And maybe if your parents die in a car crash, or if they go through a terrible divorce and one of your parents can't cope with bringing up the children, you might be shipped off to live with a distant relative, shipped off to live with an aunt or uncle. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comment section below, we'd love to see examples of how you might use ship off.